Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of ASU Wild Wings. Today on this segment, we will be recreating Buffalo Wild Wings' famous 8-piece boneless wings using cauliflower. Why is this a good idea, you may ask? That's because cauliflower is loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and B vitamins. Because cauliflower is loaded with fiber, it tends to keep you satisfied for longer and promotes digestive health. First, you're going to want to start off by preheating your oven to 450 degrees. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 head of cauliflower, 3/4 cups of flour, equal parts of water, a handful of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and 1 teaspoon of granulated onion, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, and 3/4 cup of buffalo sauce. To prepare the head of cauliflower, you're going to start off by cutting it into quarters. Then you're going to remove the core . After, you're going to break apart the florets, making sure that they are not too small in size. If they are too small, they will wilt faster and tend to get mushy. For this recipe, we want the florets to be bigger to enhance the crispiness to mimic the texture of chicken wings. Now you're going to mix together your dry ingredients to your flour, adding the paprika, garlic, onion, all-purpose seasoning. Now mix together until all the ingredients are combined. Now that the dry ingredients are combined, slowly mix in the water until the consistency is smooth. Feel free to add more water as needed. Since it doesn't look like 3/4 of a cup is enough, we're going to add a little bit more water. The consistency should be smooth and a little bit thin to coat the cauliflower thoroughly. Now that the wet mixture is at the right consistency, pour it over the florets and mix it thoroughly until they are evenly coated. They're evenly coated, place the florets on an oiled baking sheet. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, we're going to coat them with buffalo sauce and sprinkle them with breadcrumbs and bake them for an additional 15 minutes. After 15 minutes in the oven, we're going to coat them with buffalo sauce and top them off with some breadcrumbs. After the remaining 15 minutes in the oven, this is your end product. You can enjoy it as is or with a side of ranch. Enjoy!